Testing, testing. What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading video, live session. And we are about to get it in. This morning, I've been watching AEHR, and I figured that it was going to be a little bit weak. Looking back here, what it did to us on Friday here, I actually got caught in this drop right here on small share size. And originally Friday when I closed up the stream, I think I closed up with maybe a $5 loss, but I got in for this break with 15 shares and it dropped here. And I was so glad I took small share size here. It was only like a $7 loss, but this drop, man, this drop did it to me. And the thing was, it was so much slippage. So I had my out right here at the 356, but it went so fast. Let me see, where was the top of this? I got in for the break here, 365, and then I had my stop right here at the 356. But I ended up losing 50 cents on that slippage. 50 cents of slippage. So kind of didn't go my way, but I'm okay. It was a $12 loss on Friday, so I'm completely okay with that. Literally like 10 bucks. If I got in 100 shares there, that would have been a quick 50 dip right there. But yeah, AEHR just I'm really hesitant on it, especially when you look at the 15-minute for the pre-market. The first, or this double top here at the 478, it's only gone up 20 cents from here. So I just don't see it paying me like I needed to today. So I just avoid it. I will avoid it at all costs, especially if it's going to do another dip like it did Friday. I am completely okay. Anyway, we have 5 minutes to the bell. We are about to get it in. Okay. All right. Good morning, everybody. Slipping in here. Good morning. CYTK is a little bit higher, well, a lot higher floats, a little bit more expensive stock. But the news on it had Cytokinetics announces positive top line results of Redwood HCM. Um, don't really know what that entails. Cytokinetics reports positive data from mid stage trial. So that's just a mid stage trial. Nothing to be too excited about. But I do want to see how AEHR reacts at the open, since we have nothing else that's really moving in the low floats. I don't even count AEHR as a low float. It's just pitiful. But we'll watch it on the open and see what happens. There's about a minute and 30 seconds left to the open. And we'll look for something to actually trade. Let me scoot over here to my other tab real quick. Nothing over here. No real low floats. AEHR starting to dip. Boy, this open is going to be nasty. Watch and learn as the shorts take all the money. 1 minute left till open. The support level here is the 475-ish. Right there. And I doubt it's going to be able to hold that up. Really doubt it. "15 seconds. Really thought this morning's pre-market would be a little bit more hot, but it was not. So it's whatever. There's the market open. Will we see this stock get destroyed? I know it's gonna go up first, but it's definitely got some going down to do. Wow. About to go red on them. Let's go. Uh-oh. 475 was that point of support there. If it breaks it, we're going to see a nice move down. Waiting for the 475 break. It's crazy how it crashed on Friday and then it gapped up this morning. It was at 3 something, crashed down, made its way back up a little bit, crashed again right at the pre-market open, then shot up from the 331 up here on very weak news. And the news on this one today was AEHR receives 10.8 million order for production test in a burn-in of silicon carbide power semiconductors for electric vehicles. So we already know the electric vehicles were hot at one point, but the sector itself has to be a little bit hot for it to get some explosive movements. Going down, it's right at that 475 line, that support line right now, trying to hold it up. Don't think it's going to be possible for it, breaking it down. Good morning to everybody that's tuning in. CRTD. Got a lot of resistance ahead. Good morning, Daniel B. A lot of resistance ahead on CRTD. All right. Resistance all the way up here at the 7s. Resistance at the 552. Resistance right here at the 412. Okay. Pre-market high was up here at the it is at the 412. Okay. All right, so let's see what's happening down here. Big pullback off that top at the $4 level. Big pullback off this top. Bounced off my scanner real quick and easy. All right, let's go back over to the other scanner. Good morning, One Life. Trying to see if anything will stay volatile, but everything looks to be failing. So we'll wait and see. CYTK is a little bit more expensive stock. It's got a higher market cap and everything, so it may not give you the moves that you want, but has okay news. But it's just trial results, mid-trial results. I wouldn't put my money in it. But we will see. Something's gonna pop. CYTK. I was hoping for a nice pre-market some nice pre-market trades, but nothing was looking good. AEHR was the only thing that I was really watching, but that one people were kind of scared of as well. It is holding up this little support line here, but I do not want to mess with it because what it did Friday with that big dip, taking all those souls, it actually took a little bit of my soul on small share size. I took 15 shares and it dropped so quick. I mean, seconds. It even blew past my stop loss. I mean, it was ridiculous. So that's why I'm kind of hesitant on that one. But I would like to see if it's going to fail and how big it's going to fail. Will it give us another 50-cent rip down? Let me go check the halt scanner and see if any random stocks halted. Beautiful pullback in the market. You love it. All right, so what is halted now? Looks like SNTG, EVLV, and FRLN. Are any of those low flows? Let me go check those. SNTG. Trash. What's the other one? EVLV. EVLV. Did I put that in right? Yeah, I did. Just, I don't know what's going on with that one. And then FRLN. Yep. Okay, so I don't know if this one's a low float, but I do know it has very, very little volume. Let's look at the news on it. Probably no news. Therapeutics elects a new CEO. Not interesting to me. AEHR still piling down. Good morning, MSEC. We're in here watching the stocks die again. The only one that's trying to hold up is CYTK. And it's a higher price, higher float, higher everything, really. $30 stock. And it's up on mid phase news. So let's see. Cytokinetics reports positive data for mid-stage trial of CK274 in patients with hypertonic cardiomyopathy. So maybe it will drop as well. But it is gapped up pretty high though. From the 20 up to the $30. That's the gap up. Let's flip back over here to the low floats. Nothing in here yet. So this scanner is pretty much just a volume scanner. Where's the volume? And then this scanner over here is the actual low float scanner, which nothing is on. I'm so disappointed. Giving a little bit of a pullback. I know there's definitely some profit takers from last week. If they got in down here at the 19, they're up 20 bucks per share. And like it's getting a little heavy. It literally bounced off this 15-minute 9 EMA and shot up. Could not hold above this $30 level though, pre-market. So failed to hold the pre-market highs. Put that in as resistance. What is the volume looking like? It's 5 million on this 15-minute candle, but what is it looking at like on the 5-minute? Kind of coming on down. This last candle was 3 million something. This one's 400,000, 500,000. All right. CYTK. Real questionable. Getting back over that resistance line that I just put up there, trying to hold that resistance up. That was the top of the $30. So it is holding over the $30, but a little bit more expensive stock. See if it'll hold up to 25, getting down to the 25, breaking it. Breaking down the 30 again. So that's a retest of the 30. Got right back over the 25. Will it hold there? Holding that 25, bouncing off of it. Failing. Will it break the 30 again? That's two tests down at the 30. So shorts are going to be like, oh, it failed to break the 30 again. Now it broke the 30. That's a 3 test. CRTD. Doing this little thing here. CRTD. Wow. CRTD blasting off to the moon. Wow. Insane. Straight through the pre-market high. Didn't think it was going to do that. Wow. Okay. CRTD bringing the heat. Halted We'll wait for it to come out of the halt. So $4.19 stock. I'll be looking for that nice pullback on this one. See if we can get some quick gains. So this is the resistance level up here on the daily chart that it just hit. I put that resistance level up there. Why was it there? It's actually a little bit high. It should be right here. Okay. But yeah, just broke out of that, and we'll see what it wants to do on the open. CRTD getting very volatile. If anybody got in before that halt, congratulations, hopefully. That was a crazy pump. No real news though. Let's see. Volume. Let me go ahead and do a little bit of reading up on this. And it does have a shelf registration for this year. So I had already done some research on this one. CRTD. Good morning, Jay Kratz. So yeah, we're sitting here watching a halted stock CRTD for the open. Float is looking like about 9 million in the float, according to Yahoo Finance. CRTD. Um, 7.82 million according to Finviz. So we will see AEMD popping up there on the scanner as well. All right, why is this one up? No news at this time. CRTD, did it have news? Had a little bit of news in the past. Jumps. We will have to see which one's going to become the obvious stock though. That's the only problem. Which one is going to be the one? Now, this one's got 1 million in the volume though, so it's got a while to catch up to CRTD. But let me go and read up on, has a shelf registration back from 2020. Yeah, let me read up on it again and see if any other news has come out on AEMD. $10.86 million in the float for AEMD. Where did you go? Okay, 13.88 million in the float according to Yahoo Finance. So about 11 to 13. I think that's what I already had in my notes anyway. Yeah. All right. So yeah, those notes are still valid. That one's pulling back. We will watch CRTD come out of this halt at 9:43. So it should be opening up at the 48.17 if it's a 5-minute halt. So in just a moment. My focus will be on CRTD at this open. We'll see how it opens. $48.17. See if we can get this nice pullback. Here we go. Oh, that pullback was so quick. It pulled back before we can even see it. Can we get a little bit more red? Give us that red. Okay. Okay. Entered a little bit there. If it comes down and cracks on me, it's all good. I'll take that loss. Let's see. 419 will be my out. Stop already out there. If it wants to crack down on me. Waiting, watching. Previous low got me out right there. Cool, cool. I like the pullback, but it just now it's holding up to 25. Should I try again? Let's see if it can hold that 25. 2019. I don't really know about that. Let's see, 25. AEMD took a little stab at CRTD. Can it hold up this level here of the 419? And like it can. Gotta hold up that 419 level, going down there, touching. Bounce off VWAP. Can we get back over the 25s? Or that's a little bit far. Let's say the 20s. There we go. Can we hold the 20s here? Just not looking too good. Yeah, I gave it a try up here, but it just didn't go my way. So I got out at this break, or not break even, but this break of the top there. I think I lost 29 cents on those 50 shares. But we will see. Right now, it's not in my setup anymore, so I can't even play with it. Will not play those games today. Let's look out here. Yeah, CRTD is the only thing that's moving. All right. All right, can we start to hold this top again, this 420 level? Resistance, support. Not looking like it wants to hold up anything right now. Hit the $4 level right there. Let's see what kind of action it wants to give over that. And some very wide bars, wide candles. Can we get back over the 410? Four tens right there. Can we hold? Struggling. Let it settle out a little bit. Don't really know what it wants to do right now. But it did not hold up that 410 level, going back and trying to get down to that $4 level. Okay, getting the 410 right there. I will wait, because I don't know where this one wants to go. Will it press? Looks like it will press. Okay. Will it go back under the 410? Bounced off the 410. Getting up there. Will it test the 420s here? Yes, it will. Trying to hold up with all its little might. Here we go. Almost got the 420s. So it came down here, has a support level of the 403s. Again, it's just in this little range here. I like it. Like it, I like it, I like it. It's continuing to hold over that 10. Three minutes left on this candle, or a little bit less. Wow. Getting crucified now. Got to get back over that 410. Shorts are hammering. Well, not looking like something I want to mess with right now. Let me go back over here. Still just CYTK and CRTD as the top movers. AEMD did do that pullback. Not looking so good though. Trying to hold up that $4 level on the 15-minute. The 9 EMA is down here at the 381. Waiting, waiting, watching. Until this one gets more volume, I'm really just gonna focus up here on CY or CRTD. Looking for that 410 level to start the hold. Hmm. $3.95 is that wick support, and then $4 level is the body support. So we will see. Breaking on down through both of those. Hmm. There it goes, cracking down that last bottom. I may try for a little grab down here above this 15 minute EMA, but I don't know just yet. We got an ultimate bottom down here at the 357, looks like. Just have to observe a little bit more. See if it can bounce off this 9 EMA. Let's look at the SPY. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Daniel B, you might be on to something there. I did not even check the SPY before I did anything. Definitely a weird day. Oh my goodness, it's up so much. Oh, I looked at this down here. I was like, no, it couldn't go up that high, right? Okay. Well, I missed that one. But I'm gonna let this one settle out to see if more people want to get in now that it's gone through its float once. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it under VWAP. I'm gonna wait. This thing's got to give me my confirmation. All right, let's flip over to the other tab and see if anything else. Nope, just CYTK and CRTD again, doing their little moves here. CYTK is more volatile, up 55%. Looks like it got held up right there on that pre-market resistance. Looks like that's where it's struggling. One Life says, "Hey HH Trader, you can buy fractional or dollar amount value on Charles Schwab, right?" I have never tried. I I don't know. Let's see, 1.5. And let's see, let's do a stop of make sure I don't get bought in. If I do a limit order, I do a stop order, see of the 406. Can I do that? And buy. Nope, nothing happened. Nope, not letting me do it. Nope, no fractional. And what was the other one? Or a dollar amount value. Yeah, can't do fractional share buying here. Okay. Hmm. How much is 5 shares of this? $150 for 5 shares of this. Do I want to play this one? And it's answering my question right now. Nope, don't play with us. Nope. We about to drop. $150. Yeah, not looking too good right there. Thought it would be able to hold up. CRTD. Did it ever get coming back up? Down there around that 382 level. There it goes. Cracked it a little bit, 381. So I'm definitely not interested. The way for better. I think I'm down like $12 right now. $14 right now. It's okay. We'll wait for better opportunities. I want to set up a long-term account for my kids and put just X amount of money in it every week. Just want to buy a market ETF. Thought I could just put money in every week and buy a fractional amount. Um, well, Charles Schwab does offer those investment portfolios. The portfolios may offer the fractional shares you're looking for, but I don't know about Street Smart Edge. Street Smart Edge is pretty much just live trading, but the portfolios offer some more features to them. Yeah, this thing is really slowed down here on the volume, so come on, man. Look at CRTD. Where did it end up going to? Below. Yeah, it's just fading off. AEMD fading. AEHR fading. Is anything not fading? Nope. All right, the whole squad is fading. This one's still halted. Was this the one we checked earlier? That's crazy. Why is it halting for so long? Let me go check this thing. Halted at the 9:35. What time is it now? It is 10:12. So yeah, it's been halted for quite a bit. I wouldn't touch that one, I guess. Don't know when that thing's gonna open up or how. It's been almost 35 minutes on that one. This one came down to the 2850 level. This candle has 2 minutes left on it. APT popping up there on the scanner. Out. Any news on it? No real news on it. 815 up to the 874. Wow. Resistance 1055. That's a long way away. Support 899. So we'll see how it holds up that $8. I mean $9. 899. This one's just grinding up slowly but surely. So we see the buying volume came up here. Now we need to see how this selling volume is going to affect this stock. Has no reason to be going up, but maybe this is another technical trade day. We have to see, Daniel B. This is the next 2 or 3 weeks, boy. That's a long time. It is a long time to be in a downtrend. UVXY popping up there for some reason. Wow, look at that runner. From the 32 up to the 35, but this is short territory right here. Very extended. UVXY, let me see if it has any news on it. No news, just going up. Let me go and read up on it. UVXY. Short-term futures ETF pro shares. This is the Ultra VIX short-term futures ETF. XY. Yeah, this is a ETF like One Life was talking about earlier, going up. Crazy movement there. Well, if you're into shorting, you know, this one might be the play. Let's see what's this extension. It extended from the 31 up to the 35. Okay, it's a $4 move. $4 move there. Wow, is the spy jump dumping that much? I'll tell you what, man. Same move over here on the inverse of the spy. Wow. The spy is finally falling. Too late to enter now. All right, it is 9:20. Something should be spicing up. APT. Back on the scanner. Having a hard time staying strong there. This is the one I was watching. Wants to come up now. All right. May play this on small. Well, have to play this on small. 5 shares, 150 bucks. I'm still gonna wait for my setup. I'm not too sure. This one has a big range and can pull back a whole lot just like that. So I'm still gonna wait for my setup. Don't want to get too antsy here. But with this range, man, it could definitely go for me. This one's got 3 minutes left on this candle. Breaking down at 29.60. Volume, let's look at how the volume's acting. So we see these last selling bars, pretty big dip down, and now we're getting buying, but the buying is just not, let's see, what were these? A million, about 1,500,000. Buyers are not stepping back in there like that. And then as soon as I say it, they step in. I'm gonna wait for my setup though. I'm not gonna be too antsy on this one. I think it can make me some money though today. Wow. Buyers jumping in, jumping in. Do I wait or do I enter? I'm gonna wait. Not gonna get too antsy. I want to go green on the day. Let's see, top side, bottom here is the 28.76. Top resistance is the 31.02 or 31 level. So we will see. For some reason, I'm getting some errors here. Let's do 50 bucks. Stop at 50. What? Okay, so now it's giving me issues. This order cannot be accepted because security valid. What? Why can't I enter this? Okay, not letting me enter for some reason. Can I enter something else? Let's go to APTA or whatever this one is. Let's do 20 bucks. And buy this one at 20. This one again. All right, I am probably gonna have to, I don't know what's going on, why I can't enter my orders. Stop smart. I don't know why I can't enter orders, but there's no point to be waiting around. I'm gonna shut down Charles Schwab and bring it back up real quick. I'm going to take you guys over to, where's my browser? Studio. Okay, I'll take you over here real quick while I shut this down and bring it back up. Smart edge. Boy, that's weird. Glad I wasn't trying to actually get into a position and then run into that problem. Let me go check my Charles Schwab down detector as well. Give me a second. Somebody's here. I hate when they interrupt me. All right, guys. Let's see. Where was I looking real quick? CKTY is where I was looking. It fell down. I'll be right back. Somebody came. I got to do something real quick, but I'll just be watching CKTY for now, I guess. All right, guys, I'm back. Whew. All right, so yeah, my grandfather dropped by and saw me. Wasn't expecting him to come. He doesn't set schedules. He just shows up. But I'm back. What is this message? Let me know you check. Okay. What are we looking at now? We got AEMD. Nothing. AHPI. Trash. Okay, so AHPI is the one that I'll be watching. Did this one end up dropping off? Yeah, CYTK dropped off. APT. What was the one I was just looking at? AHPI. I'm gonna have to let that one level out. It's already extended. Don't want to get in too high. It's coming on down, but I do believe it can pay today. But we will see. AHPI 2 to 3 million in the float. Pull back quite a bit. As long as it holds up that 650 area, I'm interested. CYTK trash. Yep, old granddad popping in out of the blue. Needed a little bit of help, but he brought me something. He brought me some eggs, some chicken eggs. Oh boy. And I don't mean from the store, I mean from his chickens. All right, AHPI. I'm really liking it. If it can get going. Still need to see a better setup though. See if we can pull back some more. Okay, there we go. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. I'm gonna try it out right there. Oh, it let me trade this time. Okay. Ride VWAP on this one. See if it can get pumped up a little bit more. Broke it just a little bit. Where's VWAP right now? VWAP is at the 650s. So as long as it stays above that 650, 649 level, I'll hold this. Oh, it's letting my orders go through now. Added a little bit more right there, waiting for this 649. It's my out. We will see what kind of party ship this one wants to run. Daily chart resistance has a daily chart resistance of the 784. No buyers have come in yet. Am I looking on something? Oh, no. That's for one life. $632. Looking, waiting, watching. Hmm. Can it hold the 80s? Added a little bit there. 125 shares. What is that? 35. Mm, 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 mm. Can we start to hold up those 70s? Can we see the 70s back up there? '70s, '66s. '28s. Let's see what kind of action this thing wants to get up. OTC stock CYDY. Not gonna mess with that one. Added to my position a little bit there, 150 in. '630s. Can we start to hold those 75s? Can we see the 75s hold? '75s there. Added to my position again, 175. All right, my out is the 30s. Looking, waiting, watching. Can we get those 75s up there? Apparently not. Dropping into the 70s. Hmm. Can we hold the 70s here? 73s. See the 70s, not breaking out of those 70s though. Like it. All right, 200 shares. 630. It is raining hard outside, boys. Waiting to see if it can get any upward movement through the 80s. Not really sure right now. Can we get the 81 up there? Okay, so now VWAP will have to be my all out. Looking like if it can't get going here. 650s. Bottom is the 661. Just watching and waiting. Can we get over those 80s? Not looking like it. Can we get a pick me up here? Back over the 80s. Not looking likely. '70s back on the bid. Can we get '71s? Jumped up to the 74s real quick. Got a hold above the 80s. Can we see those 80s? Can we see the 75? Add it one more time right there to 225 shares in. VWAP is at the 657. $41. 642. All right, can we get into can we start to hold the 75 is a question. Not looking too good right there. 41, 39. Uh-oh. Taking a little dip there. Would love to see it hold that 75, but just not seeing it right now. Not seeing any kind of reprieve. Ooh. Waiting, watching. Can we get back over the 70s? Heavy, heavy, heavy. Can we hold those 60s up? 55s, nope. Well, I might get stopped out with a pretty nice loss today. Can we hold up the 50s? Hmm. Not showing me that it can do it. Come on, man. Fifties coming back into play. $6.40 may be a level of support. We don't know yet. Jumping back up there a little bit. 630s. And get back over the 57. See the 51, haven't seen the 50 break yet. Okay, nice. Added a little bit more. Yeah, that's a little too close. Too close for comfort right there. Give it a little bit of playroom. Add it a little bit more. See if it can get back up here to the 690s. Got to hold above that 57. Nice, getting up there to the 57. Can we see the 58s? '57s again. There we go. Added a little bit there. Need to see those 57s break. Position is at the 689 right now. Majority of the position. It's not seeing those 55s come up like they should be. '55s there. Can we hold over that 57? 30 seconds left on this candle. Not seeing any 55s come through. Maybe a nice drop pattern here. Maybe holding the bag. I want to see it over the 57s. Let's look out here on the daily chart. 717. That resistance level right there. $6 is my exit. 636. Looking like some more resistance. So we will see. Can we get back over the 50s? 51. Added a little taste there. 445. Can we see the 52s? Added a little taste there on that 52 pop. 250. Get that 53 pop. What's the VWAP actually at? 5702. Looking for the 53 pop right there. Added a little bit. Bottom of this, 639, 625. It's looking like it's becoming my all out. Can we see it hold above the 50s here? 51s. Can it show us green? go. 51s, can we get it into the 50s? Got it right there. 52 on the bid. 260 below the $6. All right. I just realized this thing has lost all of its volatility. It's down to 11%. We'll continue to play ball. Right now, my average price is the 686. Can we get back over those 50s? 45, see a 50 on the tape. Nobody at the bid wants 50 though. There's some 50s. Add it right there. Add it again. 270 in. Add it again. 275 in. 640s. We might all out. 639. It can't give me the move that I'm looking for. Looking for more entry points if possible. Holding over the 50s. '51s getting tested. Can we get those 55s back up there? '55s. We got about 30 seconds left on this candle. It's looking like it wants to give us a red day. Volume is all but dried up, so I'm gonna be looking for an exit. I already took a quite a bit of a loss today, so it's all good. It's like it's cranking up to go lower. The $6 mark was pretty much where I'm like, hey, if you go down there, I'm out. All right. 49 popping there a little bit. Can we stay above that 38? Can we get the 45s back up there on the bid? 45s. Can we get a push? Very, very slow. 45s. Can we hold and get over 45? Nice. Ooh, added time it dropped. 280. Can it give us that push up? 47s. Three minutes left on this candle. Not seeing a real push. 45s. All right. Trying to let it play out. A lot of times I sell too early, but looking like I'm gonna end up taking a little rip down if I don't. Can we hold those 45s again? 44s. Can we see something over the 40s? See 41 right there. It's a little bit of dip through. Can we see those 45s start to hold? We got the bottom of the 544s, the bottom of these candles. $5.75. Can we get above those 45s? Oh, let's go. Let's go if we can. It's looking to see the 40s back up there, but it's looking like it's struggling a bit. Need to see 41s, 42s, 45s. 43s, 42s. Nice. Wow. Needed to hold up, did not. Will I get burned holding this one? This has been one of the longest holds that I've ever done. So definitely risking a lot. AEMD. Okay. Wait, where did it just go? Okay. Can we get the 45s back on? Still interested in this one. Don't really want to let it go just yet. It's 10:32. What I might do is just come back later, set a stop loss at the end of this one, 544. And if it wants to come and stop me out, oh well. But that's a long fall for it. So can we get back over the 45s is the question. $41s. $42s. Hidden buyer right there. Again, failing. I might have to update y'all on this one because right now I really don't want to sell this. Seems to be holding up a little bit. Can we get those 42s up there? 43s right there. Come on. Get back over that. Get up to that 45. There we go. Add it right there. Add it again. Add it again with break of 50. Add it again, break of 50. 300 shares will be out at the 6. Very tight range here. If it does want to get going up and break this 56, retest that 56, we will see. Mm, okay. So 544 may be my out here because I'm gonna have to get going in a minute, and I'm just gonna have to update you guys on how this turns out. But got 300 shares, a sale down there at the bottom of this 544. Don't know if it'll come back down there, but I am looking to add. But I really just don't have time to play around. It is 10:36. Mm, mm, mm. Can we get the 46s back into the 50s? See the 49s on the ask. Can they jump up there? Can we get into the 50s? At least a little bit. Can we get that 41, 42s? Nope. Holding up a little bit, but just not on the volume that I like to see. I think I'm just going to take these 300 shares and see what other action it can get me throughout the day. I'm not going to sell. 20 cents away from my entry. Holding up those 45s. Can we add a little bit? Just not seeing over the 50 there. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to march on down on me. Hmm. Ooh, I want to be patient today, man. 36 not looking good. 576 support. I don't know if it's going to be able to heat back up. It's 10:39, so we'll see if any of the bigger investors want to come and play with this one. It's just not up a whole lot. Want to see that 45 start to hold, but it's back into the 41s. Ask is under the 50, so it's probably about to push down some. Can we get back over the 40s, please? Okay, there's a little kicker right there. Top side of this is the 44, 45 level that it needs to get over. All right, well, yeah, I'll just leave my stop right there and I'll see what it does throughout the rest of the day. As long as it stays over that bottom, it's a long way. Um, that is a long way. 576. All right, for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to take off, but I'm gonna leave this open for right now while I get ready to go. Just don't want to waste a lot of time staring at the screen. I'll be right back. And is it gonna get over the 40s here? I like to add before it starts going back up. Thirty-eights, 39s on the tape. Okay, not seeing it. I'll go ahead and get ready to go. Yeah, no more ad points for me. Um, it's just not looking good. Not looking good. right. Where we at? Oh, it's holding up. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So I was looking to add some here. Let's see. Yeah. Looking for some ad spots. Holding up those nice 50s. Nice. Well, now I can't add. You'll just have to go. And I have to see where it levels out to. All right, where we at now? 70s. So now we can go ahead and move our all out up. This last bottom was the 624. $624 looking like it have to be my all out. If it can't continue. 623 be my sell point. Okay. 70s, 75, nice. I'll let this candle close. See what it wants to do from now on. Back above the VWAP. Getting a little push. Don't want to go too far too fast though. Well, up to the 680. Let me continue getting ready to go. I'll leave my stop out right here if it does fail. And yeah, that'll be the trade of the day. Closing up this candle in 5 seconds. Can it hold above the 65s? Will I be able to decrease my position size? All these questions are yet to be answered. Resistance up here at the 717. And we got a little bit more at the 706. So $7 level of resistance. Trying to see, can it get through that 75 here? Back into the 70s. Looking real gloomy here. Come on. Not seeing it. Wow. Blast off. Getting ready to get out. Let's see if we can hit those 90s. Looking to end with a nice green day. Right now up. It should be updating in a minute. It's more than $4. I do know that. Let's see. Can we hit those 90s? All right, I'm gonna be decreasing my position size here. 90s. Or maybe I won't. I guess I can wait on a pullback. Man, I gotta get going. 91s. Can we get those 93s up there? 3s, 95s. Here we go. Nice, nice. All right. So let's start peeling off this position at the 7. Nice. Took profit there a little bit. At that 7. Facing that whole dollar resistance. Taking profit. Can we push through the 7? Taking profit. Taking profit. $7 level. Looking weak. Taking profit. 175 shares left. Can we push up there? Can we push on through? Looking weak. Taking some more. 150 shares left. Holding. Looking weak there again. Looking weak there again. 100 shares left. Looking weak there again, failing. 75 shares left. Looking for that push on through that 7. Break of the 90, I'll take another bit. 92, got close enough. I took a little bit there. 50 shares left. We'll be out at the 663 down, or actually VWAP. Let's just use VWAP 657. Be the sell point of these last 50. Right there. Still green, but I want to give it some chance to play as well if it wants it. Can it break that 7 and stay above so I can drop some more shares off on somebody? 706, 709s. Getting a little rusty up here. Okay. What's the bottom of this? Bottom of this is the 64. So we out at the 64 here. It can't continue to push. 64 is my new out. Looking, waiting, watching. Will it break that 710? Looking very weak there. Very weak. Very fast little dip. Okay. And I'm gonna start peeling off some up here. It's looking a little weak. Yeah, that's a double top. So I'm gonna peel off a little bit up here. Leave like 30 shares left. There we go. Bottom of this is the 660s. 30 shares left, 660s is my all out. I'm gonna let this sit right quick. I need to continue getting ready to leave. I got to get out of here. Right, all right, all right. All right. Is it not moving up anymore? I wanna go ahead and take profit, but I know it has a high chance of going. Well, actually, it has a double top up here. I'm not gonna play with that double top. I'm gonna go ahead and take some. Let's see, will it break the 85s? 89, getting bought up there a little bit. Don't really know what it wants to do here. Okay, 94 popping up there. Okay, well, I just leave it here. The bottom low of the 64. 664. Right there, the bottom of that igniting candle. Oh boy. All right. I need. All right. Almost maybe. All right, where are we looking at now? It's just holding there. 665. It's moving so slowly though. It's gonna get going. It needs to go. I don't have time to play here. Okay. Okay, if it breaks out of the 80s, I'm pretty much gonna give up on it. 80, so we put it at 79. 79 level should be good enough. Or maybe it'll be a sporadic stock and continue up. I might just leave this here throughout the day. Seriously, because I'm already green. So if it comes down and hits this, you know, it's not gonna hurt me. Right? New bottom is the 685. 685 there. Double topped up here at this range. Can we get the 95s up here so I can take a little bit more profit? Can we come on and get this pump up so I can drop some shares on some people? Come on, buyers. There we go. Get on in there. Show them what you're made of. All right, over the 7, I'm looking to take a little bit more profit. Ooh, that got there quick. Lordy, lordy. Can we break out? Ooh, wow. Okay, getting a little sloppy here. Bottom of this candle low is the 686. 685 level is where I'll be trying to get everything out. If it can't push here, because this would be a 3-bar play if it can go. So yeah, I'll be all out right at the bottom if it wants to act up. Needs to push here. No push, I'm out. I am up $34 today. Really thought I was gonna take a real mean red day, but I guess it worked out a little bit. Stop me out so I can go. Do it. Just do it. Not out yet. Still trying to hold up those 80s. It needs to make a decision, either break or shake. Come on, baby. Break, break, break or shake. '80s getting challenged. I'll be out on this little breakdown if it does it. Come on. We get back over the 90s, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of profit. Go ahead and take some of these 30 shares off. Then I'll set a final stop out for it. 87s, can we see the 88s? 88s on the bid. 86s. Looks like it's going to go ahead and get me down. Very small share sizes up here on the level 2s. Okay, can we get any green back to the 90s? 90s, can we get it? Okay, 92. Can we get the 90s on the bid though? 90s on the bid. Not seeing them on the bid. There's 91, 92. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna pop a little profit. What? What? What are you talking about? Oh, I need to cancel that last order. That's what I need to do. All right, 95s popped a little bit right there. 25 shares left. Okay, 97s. I may hold this these 25 shares since I'm already green. I just set it at my break even down here, or I'll just do a trailing stop. Do a trailing stop for the day. Trailing stop, follow it by $1. $1 there. It's last 25 shares. Unless it starts to struggle here. Okay. Trailing stop of $1. And yeah, that sounds good to me. We'll see if it can break that 7. Put that sale out there. It'll follow it by $1 now. Man, that's a long way. Okay, 7s. Let's make sure it's trailing. I don't see it trailing yet. 703s. Losing faith here. May need to decrease the size a little bit more if it can't stay in the 90s. 702s. It should trail it if it can break here. Not seeing it. Very heavy up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start popping off a little bit of the excess. Yep. All right, I'm gonna pop off some right there. Pop off another one. 15 shares left. Don't like how weak it's looking up here. It's gonna break. It needs to break. 95s, 99s, 703s. Keep my trailing stop here of $1. Oh, wrong. 15 shares left. Not seeing it break there. Taking off some right there. 10 shares left. And now it's small enough share size for me to not really be hurt if it comes back down. So break even is a 651. Which I'll put my stop out at 651. And I'll just update you guys maybe tomorrow on what happens with it. I mean, y'all will probably see it anyway. Let's see, was this 50 cents? So I could follow it by 50 cents. Let's do a trailing stop of 50 cents. 50 cents. So that way, even if it comes down, it'll go ahead and get me out where I need to get out. Sell. Right there. Okay, so now it's right above break even and it'll trail it up. Boy, I tell you what. This is so nerve-wracking. On the 15-minute, I do see a double top. That is a problem. That is a big problem, that double top. Okay. That is a big problem. I'm about to go ahead and take it down. Maybe go ahead and sell everything here. If it can't get back through that 7. 701s. We see 7 on the bid. Will it get knocked off? Yep. Knocked off there a little bit. Shows me red, I'm out. Okay. 7s. Come on, give me a good price to sell it. Back above the 95s, I'll take. All right, took right there. All out. Okay, let's go ahead and do this real quick. Realized gains and losses. 51 cents on those shares. Did take some losing trades on it at first, but it worked out in the end. Transactions here. Yeah, these are the buys and the sales and things. But thank you guys for tuning in. Up 34, 44 today. So nice green Monday to start off the week. I was not sure what this wanted to do, but I went ahead and took profit because it's getting a little heavy up here. It may continue to go, but I'm done playing with it. I got to get going. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Don't forget to follow if you're on Twitch. Another green day. So last Friday was my first red day in like forever. It was a $12 loss. So today I made 34, so I made that 12 back, and we'll be seeing what else the week brings. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.